In this video, I'll be showing you how to link your Microsoft 365 account to your Visa or credit card account. So let's say you have a Microsoft 365 subscription and you are paying every year. Let me show you how to link it to your account. So here you can see I'm in Outlook.live.com. So what you need to do is to just click here. You can see we have account manager. So click on it and then click my account. So if you click my account, it's going to open a new browser, which is going to take you to your account profile and settings. So here you can see we have different options. I want to actually go to subscription. You can see I have the Microsoft 365 family, which of course includes about 1 terabyte of storage and other apps. And also I can also link it to different devices. So let me go to my subscription. If I go to my subscription, here you can see that I'm paying. Let's just wait for this. Here you can see that I'm paying about 129 euros a year. And you can see a year which include the VAT. So I can actually install this on multiple devices. Here you can see also I have a storage of 1 terabyte, and right now I'm using about 540 gigabyte of my storage. So what I need to do is here I can actually click change. So if I click change, so you say I'm going to choose a payment. Here you can see we have a Visa. So I'm going to choose my Visa, or what I'm going to do is, or I'm going to actually add a way to pay because all these ones have already expired. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a way to pay. I'm going to say credit card or debit card. So right now I'm just going to enter, for example, let me just enter the following. The name is going to be my name and then the card number. So I'm going to enter. So here you're going to enter your card number. So just try and type your card number. Just wait for me to type it. Then you can see it check that it's a Visa card and then enter your expiration date. That's the month, the year. After that, enter your CVV number. Then you can see all the information. So just click save. But mind you, just like I said, it's going to tell that it's a Visa card. And then here we're going to click save changes. So you can actually, for example, if you want to add a new card or you want to change your card. So I was actually trying to change my card because I got a new card. So here I need to actually identify myself because you just don't enter someone else's information. So I'm going to open my app and then scan this code then to try to actually verify that I am the owner of this credit card or the Visa card that I just linked to this account. So I'm trying to open it on my mobile device and I'm going to scan it. And here you can see it's trying to identify to make sure that everything is okay. And if everything goes as planned, it's going to you can see it says identification has been okay. So here we just click, you can see it says it has been verified. Click close, and here we go. You can see my Visa card has been change. So what we need to do right now is for me to just close it and then close that as well. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT video. If you have any question, please don't forget to leave your question in the comment section of this video, and I will try my possible best to reply to you as quick as possible. And thank you for your time. Good